Hi everyone, I'm Julia. I'm a style coach. I'm also a content creator on TikTok. And you guys know that I also teach entrepreneurs, right, how to do TikTok online, right? And I taught a lot of them, and 20 of them are already on the TikTok Shop Creators Program. So many of you are asking, like, how do I earn money online? So I'm going to teach you this. So I have actually started TikTok 2020 during the pandemic, right? And there was like no one selling skincare back then, if I'm not wrong, and I'm the first one to sell retinol online, and I made like $1,000 profits first week. Okay, actually every week lah. Okay, then after that, when TikTok Shop creators program started like October 2023, I earned about $1,000 to $2,000 a week. Very good, right? So last 3 months, I just closed $25,000 for clients, creating like videos for them, and they also use my videos for ads. Okay, so let me tell you a secret, right? Most people won't say out loud. Okay, you don't need to go viral to make money. You just need strategy, consistency, and belief. Okay, so I started creating content while I was broke and burnout and unsure if anyone would even watch. Okay, but I found a system and it helped me sell thousands online. Okay, so here's how you get started. You can choose a content formula. Okay, either you do like talking heads like this, right, or you do voiceover while you b-roll. B-roll means you actually shoot yourself doing something, maybe typing or reading a book, right, and then you do voiceover from that. Okay, and then, or you can use like a faceless clips with captions, or faceless clips with captions meaning that you don't show your face at all. Maybe you show your dogs, or you show like a place, something like that. Or you can use a video that you bought, like subscribe over a platform, and then you download their videos, right? Don't use free videos from Canva, okay guys, because don't go to the For You page if you use free videos from Canva. Just want to let y'all know. Okay, and then you pick a category to serve your people. Either you do beauty, health, confidence, marketing like me, and even funny lifestyle tips. So think, what problem can you help someone to solve, right? And then create 3 types of content, whereby first you teach or you share tips, right? Second is very relatable, share your journey. Like for me, you guys know that I was out of job. I was retrenched at age 33 and started network marketing business. And then 2024, for 8 months, the company just closed like that. Okay, and then I realized that thank God I used my own company name. I didn't use the brand name that the network marketing business do. So if you're doing network marketing, right, I'll teach you how to succeed. Okay, anyway, if you join my class, okay, write clear captions that spark curiosity, and you can remember to write hook titles here, and don't wait to feel ready. You grow by doing it. So some of you ask me, like, what else I can sell, Julia? I mean, you can actually TikTok Shop products. Okay, you can apply it as a creators program. Okay, and then you can sell beauty products, skincare, health products, lifestyle products. You can even sell your own digital products, like your own course online. Okay, yeah, so if you want to learn how to create content that connects, okay, and convert, right, even if you're shy or new, right, I'll teach you. Okay, right now if you join my course right now, right, I'll give you one-on-one content strategies coaching, okay, so that you know how to do, and then you can start. Okay, because don't delay anymore. DM me for more information if you're interested to learn how to create contents and earn money at the same time. You can actually use my method, right, for other platforms as well, not only just TikTok. Alright, so I'll see you also in my next video. Bye!